Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.57. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 28.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 65.56% to negative 0.99%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI presents the headline, Tempus AI Incorporated stock price up more than 14.62% on Wednesday. The stock price of Tempus AI Incorporated increased by 14.62% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. It rose from $43.23 to $49.55, marking 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 9.17%, ranging from a low of $47 to a high of $51.31. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 33.09% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 10 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 19 million shares changed hands for approximately $925,110,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $91.45, while the lowest was $22.89. Currently, the price is 45.82% or $41.90, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI is experiencing significant momentum in the stock market, with its shares surging over 15% today, driven by multiple pivotal announcements. The company has entered into strategic collaborations with AstraZeneca and Pathos AI to develop the largest multimodal foundation model in oncology. This initiative not only leverages Tempus's extensive oncology data, but also comes with robust financial backing of $200 million for data licensing and model development, enhancing its long-term value proposition. The broader market sentiment is bullish, particularly in the technology and healthcare sectors, further contributing to Tempus's upward trajectory. Analysts have taken notice, with BTIG initiating coverage and setting a price target of $60, suggesting a strong buy recommendation based on the company's growth potential and recent positive developments. In the short term, such news could lead to increased investor interest, driving stock prices higher. The long-term outlook remains promising as Tempus's advancements in AI-driven diagnostics and partnerships position it strategically within the evolving landscape of precision medicine. Continued innovation and strong market collaborations could solidify its competitive edge, making Tempus a compelling prospect for both growth and value-focused investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned a buy rating to TEM with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG again assigned a buy rating to TEM with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight rating to TEM with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned a neutral rating to TEM with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy rating to TEM with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The stock of Tempus AI Inc. holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is currently above the short-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $43.02 and $46.62. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 44.6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal approximately 47 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal about 114 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also generated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average issued a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $43.79 and $42.70. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Tempus AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $43.79. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $42.70 and $37.23. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.31 between its high and low, representing a movement of 9.17%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.75%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 27 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $55.30. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level at $43.79. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott executed an insider sell of 5,006 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Gottlieb Scott conducted another insider sell of 16,273 shares of Class A common stock. Also on April 1st, 2025, Gottlieb Scott sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On that day, he further sold 2,558 shares of Class A common stock. On April 1st, 2025, Doudna Jennifer A. conducted an insider sell of 625 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 11 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 96.938. In summary, insiders purchased no shares and sold a total of 54,538 shares in these 11 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.58, reflecting a decrease of 6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a considerable level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 46 days ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect Tempus AI to open lower by approximately 263/100ths of a dollar and start trading at $49.29. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.